Hi, my name is Lauren Kruger. My banner ID is 01246545. I have not collaborated with any other live person to create this video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a scatter plot on StatCrunch comparing age and GPA. Age being the independent variable and GPA being the dependent variable, also known as the predictor variable, which is age, and the response variable, because whatever our predictions are, GPA is going to be influenced by age. And I'm also going to show you how to calculate the correlation in the data. So I'm going to turn my phone over to the computer screen. And here we are on StatCrunch. Okay, so first we're going to create a scatter plot, and we're going to look at the scatter plot and make some interpretations from it. So we're going to click on Graph, Scatter Plot. And like I said, so the X is going to be representing the independent variable. This is the predictor variable. This explains how age affects grades. So that's going to be age. And then we're going to select the dependent variable, which is going to be overall GPA. And we're going to click compute, and it's going to give us our scatter plot. So as you can see, spread it out a little better. According to this, we have a positive correlation because the graph is increasing here, and it looks weak because we can put a straight line through here, but we have all of these points here that kind of drift off this way. So it looks like between age 20 and 30, there was actually across until age 60 there was a high, but it looks like the GPA is very high from age 20 to 30, being between 3 and 4. So we're going to look at the correlation, which is going to show us how closely the line fits and how strongly the two variables are correlated. So +1 would be a positive. Anything very close to +1 is a positive variable, and it's considered strong. And anything very close to -1 would be considered a negative variable, and it would be considered strong negative. So let's look here. So we're going to go to Stat, Summary Stats, Correlation. We're going to select age, and then we just have to press the Shift key for GPA. We're going to click Compute. And this gives us the correlation. So as I explained before, the correlation here is represented by 0.42, well, 0.243. We'll round it off. And it is a positive correlation, but it is a weak correlation. If we look at the scatter plot here, a strong correlation would be the strength of the scatter would be concentrated and together. Here we're looking at, so the strength is strong over here, but here it's wide and weak, and it's not put together. So this graph, the variable between overall GPA and age is represented by a weak positive correlation. And so what I interpreted from this was looking at age from people in their 20s to people in their 60s. There are different factors that may influence that people may be doing at that age, which may change their GPA. For example, 20-year-olds may not take education as seriously as they get older in their 40s. But according to this graph, it looks like mostly 20 people in their 20s to about maybe 25, looks like they were the ones who kind of fit in this wide pattern here with the GPA below or just above 1. Thank you for your time.